Hi there, welcome to a journey of workspace transformation where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Are you tired of staring at the same uninspiring desks day after day? It's time to inject life into your workspace. In this guide, we're not just talking about tips, we're unveiling a treasure trove of secrets to turn your desk into a dynamic hub of inspiration and productivity. Do you ever feel like your desk is holding you back from reaching your full potential at work? It's not just a desk, it's your canvas for productivity, creativity, and success. Today, we embark on a mission to breathe new life into your workspace, banishing the mundane and welcoming a vibrant and functional environment. So, buckle up as we unveil the secrets to transforming your desk into a powerhouse of inspiration. Imagine a desk adorned with lively greenery, a small plant, or a cute succulent. It's not just about aesthetic, it's about creating an environment that boosts your mood and productivity. Research has shown that having plants in your workspace reduces stress, enhances concentration, and promotes overall well being. Now that nature has set the tone, let's declutter and organize. A cluttered desk can hinder focus and creativity. Now let's infuse your desk with personality. Display photos of loved ones, motivating quotes, or cherished moments. Ergonomic excellence. Upgrade your chair and lighting. Comfort is key when it comes to productivity. Invest in chairs with excellent lumbar support, customizable features, and breathable material. Proper lighting is equally crucial. Position your desk near a window to harness natural light or invest in LED lights that mimic natural light. As we near the end of our transformation journey, let's introduce a calming atmosphere to your desk. Consider adding a small essential oil diffuser or desktop fountain. Essential oil like lavender or peppermint can reduce stress and improve concentration. The gentle sound of flowing water from a desktop fountain provides tranquility. Imagine the serenity as stress melts away, leaving you with a focused and peaceful mindset to conquer your tasks. So there you have it. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for more updates. So see you in the next video. So till that time, bye bye.